Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and yep, it's here already. We're just February of 2023, and we already have 2023 Topps Flagship Series 1 Baseball. I was trying to get a jumbo box, but they did not have any yet. They said they weren't going to be getting any till Monday at my LCS, but they did have the hobby boxes, which again aren't quite as, I want to say, loaded as the jumbos, but I was able to pick up a couple, 80 bucks each, so couldn't pass that up. And of course, with this, you just get the one silver pack along with the 24 packs. I guess I'm kind of hopeful that between the two boxes, I'll get a base set. And I'm going to put the silver pack in the back. So we'll see what we can get. So again, I'm sure if you've watched any videos, they've already shown the odds, but there's all your odds that you can get. I want to say the gold is not even one a box, because it looks like it says 1 in 33, but yet you can get 3 golds out of a freaking jumbo, if not more than 3. So here's a design for this year's. Got Tyler Mahle on the start. I'm not going to go over every card, but there's your back. The only thing that I would have liked to see them do differently is bring this down, and even if they had brought this up so that way it was even across the bottom of the card, so it's like a little bit of a banner. This just kind of seems odd, being offset the way it is, but there's a Wander Future Star. But there's our first rookie, Buddy Kennedy. There's Stephen Quans, Danny Jansen, and then we got a 1-2 punch. I'm trying to remember, this looks so familiar to the football insert they used to do for the teammate ones. A team card for the Dodgers, a team card of the Nationals, the AL leaders, and another. Yeah, it's a checklist card. So in a hobby box, you're guaranteed to get one hit, which more than likely is going to be a relic. Hopefully not the manufactured ones, but yeah, and it's funny. Benintendi finally gets his card on the Yankees, and now he's no longer a Yankee. Probably the same for Tommy Pham. There's a Tristan Casas rookie. Trevor Story with Boston. And a Mets team card. Sandoval. Frenchie Cordero. Goldschmidt. There's a Gunnar Henderson. Dean Kramer. Oh, there's a 88 throwback of Ken Griffey. And it's funny because it's just 1 year removed, or 1 year prior to him actually being in the big leagues. It's going to be scary in a couple of years when they're up to 1990 tops. That's the way Topps rolls. Every year's a design from 35 years ago. Gabriel Moreno, rookie. There's Julio. Base Julio. Evan Lee, rookie. Oh, and this is a relic already. And then we got a Michael Harris. Josh Staumont. Cubs. Rangers. And our relic is Riley Green. Oh. Tigers Riley Green. On the 88 design with just a napkin relic, but at least it's a jersey. That's typically what you're going to find in these hobby boxes. Like I say, it's a tough pill to swallow when you don't have a lot of, like say, inserts or anything like that in a hobby box this year. Michael Grove. I mean, we haven't even seen a rainbow. And Trout is card number 27. Alec Bohm. Oh, yeah. I do like these, though. I'll set it down real quick, and we'll go through the rest of these first. Darren Ruff, Braves, team leaders. But the all aces inserts, I really like the looks of those. And that was a rookie. Dylan Cease. They really look nice. And my understanding is that there are parallels for those. But unlike in hockey where they do the full 52 cards, these are all just aces. I don't know if they're all ace of hearts though. If they've got ace of diamonds, ace of spades, ace of clubs. I'd like to think that they do, but I guess we'll have to see if I get another one. Tatis. Got a Derek Hall rookie for the Phillies. Strom, who's no longer with Boston. Eric Fetty. Jose Altuve. Another team leaders. Team card. Was it Johan Bride, rookie for the Athletics? Pavin Smith, Cronenworth, Brian Serven, rookie. Shohei Ohtani, and it's his number, 17. Bobby Witt, Aaron Ashby, Brad Keller. Is this a Julio? It is. 2022 greatest hits. J-Rod. Blake Snell. And Sosa, rookie for the White Sox. Miguel Cabrera, Kyle Bradish. It would be cool to pull, though, the gold mirror SSP. I don't know if those are a good odds to get out of a hobby box or not. I've seen a lot coming out of jumbos. Corey Lee, rookie for the Astros. Cal Raleigh. There's a Riley Green, rookie for the Tigers. Sean Murphy, Brady Singer. Again, not a single parallel to be seen yet. Mountcastle, Mike Yastrzemski, and at least Topps spelled his name correctly this year. Steele Walker, rookie for the Giants. Tim Anderson. Well, there we go. Another Piguero rookie for the Pirates. Wade Boggs, 88. Josh Naylor. Austin Meadows. Getting close to the halfway point. I have to go faster. Hunter Brown, rookie. The Astros. Verdugo. Tyler Vaughn Grissom, rookie for the Braves. Home run challenge for Schwarber. Christian Vasquez. Soto, Lux, Matt Duffy, Bryson Stott, 1-2 punch of Bueller and Julio. Okay, this is the halfway point. Still yet one number, haven't seen anything numbered yet. Matter of fact, I haven't even seen an unnumbered parallel. I guess it's Gerard Encarnacion, rookie for the Marlins. Nolan Gorman, rookie for St. Louis. Oh, we got our first backwards card, but is it anything? Our first rainbow foil. Alec Baum. In Pack 12, our first parallel. Unnumbered, but first parallel. Brett Beatty, rookie. Hunter Green. Eric Lauer. Bo Bichette, 88. David McKinnon, rookie for the Athletics. Still curious if they stay in Oakland or if they do move to, say, Portland. I do think Portland, Oregon would be great for Major League Baseball. Got a Cal Mitchell, rookie. I don't think he was originally... Oh, he was originally drafted by the Pirates. Oh, here's our second rainbow foil. A David McKinnon, rookie. Ozuna. Kyle Stowers, rookie. Taylor Ward. Justin Hera, Kirby. Ethan Small, rookie. Christian Pache. .30 Club. Welcome to the club. Vlad Sr. Vladdy Daddy with the Expos. Brian Bello, rookie for the Red Sox. And Oswald Peraza for the Yankees. I mean, even in a hobby box, you get quite a healthy stack of rookies. There's a Travis Swaggerty rookie for Pirates. Randall Grichuk. Garcia. Albert Amora. Stroman. Looks like I might have an actual gold. Pujols. Cade Cavalli, rookie. And we do. Ryan Serven, gold. Wow, that is tough to... It's like you flip it over to look for it, and it just blends right in. You got to hold it just right in the light to see it. But it is easy to read. 1331 of 2023, so they changed the font for it. Jordan Lyles. So let's leave him up. I mean, it's a gold rookie. Not one that anybody's probably chasing, unless you're a Rockies fan. There's Vlad Jr. Michael Massey, rookie for the Royals. Graham Ashcraft, rookie pitcher for the Reds. And then behind that, you get a Greg Maddux, 88. Would have been nice to have him shown on the Cubs at that point. Jordan Montgomery, Josh Smith, rookie for the Rangers. And Josh Winkowski. Acquired him with the Mets. Trade. Shea Langoliers, rookie. Was originally a Brave. Zach Thompson, rookie for the Cardinals. Was. Apparently I'm going way slow. Brandon Hughes for the Cubs. Acuna. Eduardo. Oh, there's a Nick Prado rookie for the... He was originally a Red, I thought, but no. Royals. Jonathan Aranda, rookie for the Rays. Max Scherzer, 88. There's a Marcus Wilson, rookie for the Mariners. Down to the last 5. I don't know how I'm going so darn slow on this. Feels like I'm going fast, but apparently not fast enough. Cody Clemens, rookie. So there's Rogers, one of Rogers' kids. Yu Darvish. Mark Apple finally gets a rookie card. And it was like way back in... Oh, we got a black. Got a Scott Barlow, black parallel to 72. 49 of 72. Again, not the best name, but it is a low numbered parallel. Kenley Jansen, who's now with Boston. And Kikuchi finally showing up on the Blue Jays. Cease, Vogelbach. Gosh. David Villar. Greatest hits, Jordan Alvarez. Down to the last 3, and I'll probably... And my understanding is his SSP, they've got the wrong player. But it looks like the wrong player was even captured on the Getty Images. Miguel Vargas, rookie for the Dodgers. I don't think I've seen a... Oh, I get another, I'm guessing a... Yep, rainbow foil. Emmanuel Klaus, or Class A. Pavetta. Devers. Last 2 packs. I don't think I've seen Adley yet. Nolan Jones, rookie for the Guardians. Another 88. Sandy Alcantara. Last pack. Will I get it all in on this video, or will it jump over? Brian Hayes. Rhys Hoskins. There's Jeter Downs, which is crazy that he gets a rookie card and now he's with the Nationals. There's Adley. Judge. Ivan Herrera for the Cards. Jesse Winker, who's no longer with Seattle. And we finish off with a rookie of Caleb Killian. So, here comes our silver pack. Do we get anything out of this? Got a Nelson Velasquez rookie for the Cubs. Carlos Correa, Twins. Verlander. And we get a redemption. What did we get for a redemption? Base autograph parallel of Bubba Thompson for the Texas Rangers. Probably not the largest name to get, but hey, it's a silver pack auto. So there's a recap. I got the silver auto. Got the Riley Green relic. Got the Julio. The Dylan Cease. Got the black parallel, the 72 of Scott Barlow. Not a rookie. And the 1 gold, a Brian Serven rookie. 1331 of 2023. And, you know, again, the typical retail, or not retail, but the typical inserts. But did get an Adley, so that's good. I'll see how close I got to a set out of 1 box. But anyway, that concludes this break of 2023 Series 1 Baseball. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.